Come with us to a Pokemon vending machine pack battle. We're gonna get a Shrouded Fable pack.
Alright, we've got one pack of Temple Forces, one pack of Shrouded Fable. So we're gonna go home now and open them. 2 cards, 2 packs. Let's go. Temporal Forces. Sorry, we've got dogs in the background. Alright. Try and get the big boy. Oh, I just ruined it for everyone. The suspense. Let's see. Crocodile. Melton. Yeah, Belgian Fire. Shrouded Fable. Alright. We'll say Seedra. You far.